Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on fixing your PS5 controller when it's missing parts. Today, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to identify and resolve these issues effectively. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you open the controller without causing any damage. Begin by removing the screws located on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws that need to be taken out using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the controller casing. Be cautious during this step to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now that the casing is open, inspect the internal components. Look for any missing parts such as the battery, buttons, or circuit board connections. If you find that any components are indeed missing, you may need to source replacements. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your controller repaired without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, so you can understand the issue before deciding on the next steps. Next, let's clean the internal parts of the controller. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe down the circuit board and other components. This will help ensure that any dust or debris does not interfere with the functionality of your controller. After cleaning, check the battery connection. If the battery is loose or disconnected, reattach it securely. Ensure that the connectors are clean and free from corrosion. If the battery is missing, you can easily find a replacement online or at your local electronics store. Once you have replaced any missing parts and cleaned the internals, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the casing and press it back together. Make sure all clips are securely fastened. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier using the Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Finally, test your controller to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, our service includes no calls, no travel, and we can handle everything from collection to delivery at your home. This way, you can enjoy your gaming experience without the stress of repairs. Thank you for following along with our guide on fixing your PS5 controller. We hope this has been helpful in getting your device back to working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.